Today I've got a quick and exciting tutorial for you. We are going to learn HTML video tag. So let's get started. The HTML video tag is a powerful element that allows you to embed videos directly into your web pages without relying on third-party plugins or players. It is supported by all modern web browsers, making it a fantastic choice for displaying video content on your website. All you need to do is open and close the tag just like this. Here we specify the video file's source using the source attribute, and by adding the controls attribute, we get those handy video controls like play, pause, and volume adjustment. It's important to note that different browsers support different video formats. To ensure compatibility, consider providing multiple formats of your video by adding nested source tags within opening and closing video tags like this. This way, you cover various browsers and ensure your video plays smoothly. Various file types supported by HTML video element are MP4, WebM, and OGG. The text will only be displayed in case nothing else works. The video tag offers additional attributes to customize the video's behavior. For example, you can set the dimensions with width and height. It is always a good idea to include width and height attributes, otherwise page might flicker when the video is loading. You can make the video play automatically with autoplay and on a loop using attribute loop. If you want to mute the video, use the attribute muted. So this was all about HTML video tag. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorials. Till then,